Hi, this is Rain Invaders 97100, and we're in downtown Fairfield, Connecticut. Here's me. And we are currently at Colony Grill. We have Fairfield CT fire permit. Ladder 1 and engine 1 and a cop supervisor at Colony Grill. I think a smoke alarm went off or something. I don't know exactly what the cause of it is, but here's all the action. Here's engine 1, a 2013 Spartan Gladiator GK. That is a 1995 Salisbury and duplex. You can see there's tons of traffic going around over here. There's the CT fire. If you could zoom in a bit, I could zoom in. Here's all the action at Colony Grill. I don't know what happened. I probably think it's a smoke alarm or fire alarm activation. And it's interesting to see that these are right here. I heard the sirens and I'm coming out. I hear the sirens, I'm like, oh my god, I gotta get a video of this. Here's ladder 1 and engine 1, Fairfield CT fire department. Currently at Colony Grill. I'm freezing, but I don't give a crap because it's red light over there. And I hear the alarm going off for some other call. So I don't know if they're getting dispersed or what they're doing. Here's all the action at Colony Grill here in Fairfield, Connecticut. Engine 1. Let's see if we can walk over a little bit to the scene. It's proceeded, you can't really see it, there's tons of traffic and you can't really see the engine. Here's the Fairfield CT fire department ladder 1, engine 1 on scene. Colony Grill here in Fairfield, Connecticut. Don't know what exactly happened, but it probably was a smoke alarm or fire alarm activation. They currently got on scene like a couple of minutes ago, and they are currently looking for a cause of what happened. So here's all the action that you can get from this. Here's ladder 1, 1996 duplex. Is all wind trade from the winter storm we recently had. Hello.
Hey, what's up?
Nothing really.
Yeah? I've never seen you.
Yeah. Yeah, I remember that. Yeah. Bye. Currently, here is the fire trucks outside, and I don't know what they're doing here. Fire alarm activation or something stupid like that. Or someone just called 911 for the fuck of it. I mean for the fun of it. Here's all the action. If I can get a closer view of it. I'll give you the front of the view, but I don't want to be able to do that because YouTube capture is what I'm using via YouTube capture. Here's all the lights on engine 1. Ladder 1 is currently on scene 2. They revved their sirens as soon as they got here. I don't know exactly what for. You can see there's a lot of traffic here. Currently, NU1 and Ladder 1 are on scene. Firefighters are investigating what happened. And this is Eric Landsberger, Random Biz 977-100 reporting to you from the Colony Grill here in Fairfield, Connecticut, right across from Fairfield Youth Bookstore. My hands are freezing, so I gotta go. Alright. Once more, here's NU1 2013 Spartan Gladiator Guardian and Ladder 1. Alright, bye-bye.